Just a fine fucking morning to go to school. Now, open that door now. Oh, they're still asleep. Oh my god, they're big ass. God, even wake up. Because why I'm that quiet is because I'm sick and I'm not going to stomach. I'm basically making a video. Yeah, get up. Okay, I will. Put my coat on. I'm just gonna put this little outfit on, of course. Looks so cute on me. It's autumn. Like, finally, it's autumn. I can different Halloween. I already have sleigh. Like, it's so good. Okay, so basically, it's going at the triplets. Then they should be waking up yourself too. You ain't even waking up yourself. You lazy ass bitches couldn't do that thing because you're too lazy on the weekend. It's school. We're going back to school. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go and get the triplets. They literal booty better get up. And then, oh girl, she needs to get up. She goes to the same school as her with the brown hair over there. Kid. Okay. Get up. Get up. I said get up. Okay? Yeah. Get up. Excuse me, you're the bitch, yeah? You do not talk to your mother like that. Anyway, twins, wake up. Yes, your mother said wake up, so wake up. Okay, let's go to your school.
A few moments later.
Okay, triplets, we're here now. I don't give a shit, Daddy. I'm like, you need to learn some manners in nursery. No. Just go in. I want your sister, go in. Oh my god.
A few moments later.
Finally, we're here. Oh my god, I can't swear in this middle school. Primary school, can you sign you up now? Go in. Finally, mom's bossing around because I bitch have my food burger. I don't know why I'm so quiet. I'm sick and I don't want to use all my voice. So yeah. Yeah, so basically, I'm going to be learning 2099. Yeah, so we are going to be learning 2099. 2,000 times 2. Y'all, listen. 2,000 times 2. Listen, like right now. Okay, so we're at the high school now. Finally. I'm always lost. I need to go. Only I'm in my class. Is that gibberish or something? Who actually knows the language? Me, honey, so can you please shut up? No, you shut up. You bat like he's silent. Nobody cares. Honey, you're the size of this building. Excuse me. Excuse what? I told you what your size is. Well, true. You're not as smart as me. Trying to be small. You're not cool, girl. Okay, the end. I'm gonna the thumbnail so you won't know what's that thumbnail. Ugh.